Hello everyone and welcome to this session. This session is about drawing Lewis structures, but before anything I want to explain some basics. As we can see, in chemistry we have four different kinds of covalent bonds. Single covalent bond, again double covalent bond, triple covalent bond, and of course coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. The main difference, as you can see, is that bond pair electron in dative bond are donated by one atom and another atom brings no electron, but in other covalent bonds pair electrons are shared by each atom. 2 electrons are shared in single, and similarly 4 electrons are shared, and 6 electrons are shared. And in here in dative bond there is no sharing, as we can see, and this point is so important in my view. And another thing is that octet rule. As you know, the tendency of majority of main group atoms to reaching 8 electrons in their valence shell due to more stability. Of course, some atoms like hydrogen has only 1 electron and can form one bond. As a result, they reach to duplet rule. Of course, in octet rule there are some exceptions like beryllium, bohr, and I will explain them continue. But I want to explain the main topic, the Lewis structure of molecules. But the first one, the structure of diatomic molecules, because it's easier than multiatomic. We have no need to select in central atom. In diatomic molecules, one atom is one side and other atom is another side. For example, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, the Lewis structure of N2, nitrogen and nitrogen from group 15 or 5A. It has 5 electrons. As you can see, we must replace electrons as singlet form, and then we can pair the electrons, and totally the nitrogen has 3 singlet electrons and 1 pair electron. Similarly, another nitrogen, and we connect and form a single covalent bond, and then count the total number of electrons to reach in 8 electrons, or octet rule. 2, 4, 5, 6. Because the total number isn't 8, we must form another bond, 2, 4, 6, 7, and another bond, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and finally the Lewis structure of nitrogen will be an triple covalent bond and 1 pair electron and 1 of course non-pair electron, and for oxygen atom, as you know, oxygen from group 16 or 6A and has 6 electrons in the valence shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We connect and then count 2, 4, 6, 7, and 2, 4, 6, 8, and Lewis structure of oxygen will be this form. But about Lewis structure of multiatomic molecules is a bit complicated because we must select central atom in multiatomic molecules. Central atom is the atom that has the least electronegativity among the atoms in the periodic table. If I want to refer the atom which is located in the left side and the bottom has the least electronegativity and can be considered as a central atom, and we can give some examples. NCl3 nitrogen trichloride. It's obvious that nitrogen must be the central atom. It has less electronegativity than chlorine. Or ammonia, NH3. Hydrogen cannot be central atom. Nitrogen is central atom, and water H2O, and it's so obvious that O must be central atom. Nitrogen trichloride, nitrogen from again group 15, and chlorine from group 17. It's a halogen, and as you can see, it's so easy to connecting atoms and reaching to octet rule 2468, 2468, 2468, and for nitrogen 2, 4, 6, and 8. NH3 nitrogen from group 15, and hydrogen has only one electron, and the Lewis structure of NH3, and for the water, oxygen from group 16, it has 6 electrons in the valence shell, and 2 hydrogen can be connected, and the Lewis structure of H2. But I want to explain 2 other structures, because sulfur dioxide has a dative bond, and in dinitrogen monoxide, nitrogen is a central atom, is a bit complicated. In SO2, S must be central atom because it has less electronegativity than oxygen. S from group 16, oxygen again group 16, and oxygen group 16. We connect single electrons and then count 2, 4, 6, 7 again, and 2, 4, 6, 8, but for forming another covalent bond, the sulfur has no single electron, and we have to replace the single electron and creating empty place, and the sulfur is donated its pair electron, and as you can see, a dative bond is formed. As a result, the Lewis structure of sulfur dioxide is this form, and this bond is a dative because sulfur brings one pair electron, and oxygen brings no electron, and another example, N2O, dinitrogen monoxide. As I said, the nitrogen is central atom because it has more singlet electrons and the priority for connecting is nitrogen because it has more singlet electrons than oxygen. I connect and then I count 2, 4, 5, 6 again 2, 4, 6, 7 and again 2, 4, 6, 8 2, 4, 6, 8 and because the nitrogen has no singlet electron, I must replace and create empty place for forming a dative bond, and the Lewis structure of N2O will be triple covalent bond between nitrogens and a dative bond between nitrogen and oxygen. In this session we had three main points. I want to refer 4 different types of covalent bond, single, double, triple and coordinate covalent bond. Another point was octet rule, and of course we had duplet rule like hydrogen, and finally the Lewis structures of biatomic or diatomic molecules and multiatomic molecules. And in the end I want to appreciate you for your attention.